On the Security Plus exam, you will be tested about deception and disruption technologies. So think about, what if you could catch an attacker in the act by letting them think that they're winning? That's what deception and disruption technology does. It lures attackers into interacting with fake assets. This provides early detection of their activity, and it gives you insights into their behaviors. So then these are primarily detective controls. There are 4 specific types of these deception and disruption technologies that you need to know for the Security Plus exam. You have honeypots, honeynets, honeyfiles, and honeytokens. And you need to know the difference between each one so that when they describe a scenario, you can know which one they're talking about. So you need to understand that these are deception technologies, that they are disruption technologies, and then you need to understand what each of them does, or what scenario describes each one distinctly from the other. For a honeypot, you want to remember that it is a single fake system. It's designed to attract attackers, and it's a single fake system. It looks like a real target to the attackers, but it's not, obviously. A honeynet is a network of honeypots. Instead of just having one fake system, you have an entire fake environment. You're getting the attackers excited that they've found something really valuable while they're walking into your trap. Then you have a honeyfile. This is just one file, one document placed somewhere so the attacker can hopefully find it. And whenever someone accesses this file, you know right away that something is up. A honeytoken is either a fake credential or a fake piece of data. It might be an API key, it might be a username, it might be a database record. If it's ever touched or ever used, you know there's something suspicious going on. It's what is called a guaranteed IOC, or indicator of compromise. For the Security Plus exam, the scope is the key distinction between these 4. Honeypot, one system. Honeynet, a full network. Honeyfile, potentially a single file. Honeytoken, credential or piece of data. In the CompTIA exam, you might see the word decoy system. Think honeypot. If you see the words multiple decoy systems, think honeynet. If you see decoy file, think honeyfile. If you see fake API key, fake username, fake data item, these are things that you want to associate with your honeytoken. On my domain 1.2 tutorial in the candybryan.com site, you go through matching games, interactives, pop quizzes. These videos, of course, content, diagrams, the full stack of helping you to really get comfortable learning these pieces that you'll need to know for the Security Plus exam.